Turato sa tres. Kapos. Hindi pala kapos. Sablay laang. Yun.
Ups! Foul call. Who's the foul rep? Foul jersey number 18, Torato. First personal foul penalty. Two shots for Jana Morris. They're up by 2, 21 against 19. First shot comes up short. 24 seconds remains. Second serving. That's good. Make it 3-point lead.
Batang Recto, Magnaye. Magnaye to Reyes. Reyes, easy lang. Pa-easy lang.
Shot clock is off.
Pa-easy lang si
15
Reyes.
seconds.
Yan na. Reyes, pa-easy lang.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Yan, Reyes. Yan na.
5 seconds.
Yan na. Dumagos na. Ibinalibang na. Tumagnaye sa tres. Ibitain.
Oops!
Nabitin. Bitin ang tira. Bitin ang oras.
That will be the first quarter between PBA Motor Club and Batang Recto. A 3-point lead for PBA Motor Club. 22 against 19.
Siyempre, wag po kayong aalis at wala akong magpupunit ng ticket dahil maya-maya ay mapapanood nyo na maglalaro ang mga artista. Yun ho'y kami.
Uy! Wow!
Hindi tayo.
Yeah,
hindi tayo. Yung team Showtime, siyempre.
Showtime lang, showtime.
Nandiyan ang ating Kuya Bong Navarro.
Huwag kayong aalis.
Oo.
Kahit kayo mainitan.
Ang ating Kuya Ronnie Alonte. Nandiyan dyan. At siyempre, Ayon Perez, nandiyan din. Si Boss Dane. Ay! At siyempre, di mo wala ating Papa Igme. Si Igme.
Shout out.
Naisingit pa eh. At siyempre, binabati din natin ang ating mga kapulisan, ang ating PNP dyan. Maraming salamat.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oo, sa inyong 24 hours na pagbabantay.
Para
service.
7-Eleven.
Oo. Sobra pa sa 7-Eleven.
7-12.
Back to the ball game. Yan na. Batang Recto ball. Garing. Garing 2. Back to Garing. Garing, umakma sa tres. Ang ganda ng pick. Itinira. May bitin.
Shot clock 11. 11 to shoot.
Batang Recto. Batang Recto ang ating bola. Reyes. Reyes sa tres. Dumiskarte. 3 points.
Deadlock at 22. Nobody's in favor. Motor Club possession. Amoras looking for his teammates. Swing it to Wilson. Corpus. 14 seconds to shoot. Oh. Wilson fires the tray. No good. Corpus. No good.
Nakuha ng Batang Recto. Garay, nagmamadali. Iyan na. Oo nga, sinasangka. Yun! Easy 2 points.
Motor Club possession. Skyrus with the ball. To Amoras. Back to Skyrus. He breaks. Pass to Corpus. Pass on the line. No good. The ball goes.
Iyan na. Bugos to Batang Recto. Nagmamadago sa ilalim si Tepong. Easy 2 points. Sadya naman.
26-22, Batang Recto, a 4-point lead. It's Wilson with the ball, pass to Amoras, swings it to Skyrus. Skyrus, pass to Corpus. It's Amoras, fires the three, comes up short.
Ayan, nariba ng ating Batang Recto. Batang Recto ang may sa ball possession. Batang Recto, may counting fake na may counting. Ano yan? Traveling o foul? Foul.
Basket count, foul number 13, Amoras. First personal foul number 30, Amoras, substitution.
Yan na, bonus shot para sa Batang Recto.
29-22 in favor of Batang Recto. 7-point lead. Moto Club possession, it's Ryan Arana. Back to Arana, jersey number 18. Swings it to the wide open. Amores. No good.
Batang Recto. Ang bola. Ayan na si Garing. Garing. Dumidiskarte to Reyes. Reyes sa tres. Bang!
Sagak!
Sagak na sagak.
32-22, 10-point lead for Batang Recto for the second quarter. It's Arana with the ball now, looking for his teammates. Shot like a 12. Wilson fast to three. No good again.
Yan na. Batang Recto. Tagle. Bumali na sa... Uy, sayang.
Substitution rep. Substitution. Sumang back to the ball game. Amores out. It's Wilson. Back to Sumang. Swings it to Arana. Breaks. Driving closer. Shot. One goal for shot. The ball is stopped.
Nadali na, Reyes. Reyes, walang kapagor-pagor. Para lang nanungkit ng kuwan.
Para nanungkit ng makapuno. It's Sumang. Pass to Arana. Swings it. Number 11. Pass inside to Jackson Corpus. Corpus puts up the shot. One go.
Nakuha ni Cardo. Nakuha ni Cardo Dalisay.
Cardo Dalisay.
Dalisay. Tugaring. Bata. Yun! Sarap.
Sagak na naman!
Time out.
Time out, PBA Moto Club. 6:47. 37-22, 15-point lead for Batang Recto. 6 minutes, 47 seconds remaining time for the second period.
Barako Best, the best of the city, feel the energy. Barako Best, Barako Best, Barako Best,
Okay, back to the ball game. It's Batang Recto is on top by 15 points, 37-22 for the second chapter. It's Sumang with the ball, looking for his teammates. Swings it to Wilson. Back, pass to the middle. Hamida, pass inside the Corpus. The whistle's blown. Foul from behind. Foul jersey number 21. Second personal foul. First team foul for Batang Recto. 2 shots for Jackson Corpus. First shot is up. That's good. All net.
Lakas naman. Yan, Batang Recto. Yan na. Batang Recto. Ang may dala ng bola, Reyes. Reyes to Andrada. Andrada, pinaligiran ng mga
Shot
sundalo.
like at 14. 10 to shoot.
Garing! Garing! Dumiskarte. Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Huy! Sayang
Wilson
naman.
lost the rebound. They're trailing by 13, 37-24. It's Sumang with the ball. Bounce to Wilson. Pass to Jackson. What a play. Shot, one go. Ball is out. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. 13. Substitution rep. Hamito comes up short.
Rebound by Batang Recto. Yan na. Tagle. Tagle. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. To Garing. Garing. Oo.
10 to shoot.
Yan na. Hindi na maintindihan ko paano didiskarte ng Batang Recto sa tres. Patay ang butikay.
A head pass to Jackson. Corpus for 2 points. Easy 2.
Yan na. Batang Recto may dala ng bola. Reyes. Reyes, dumidiskarte pa ito, Garing. Garing. Yan na. Oy!
Oops! Basic foul, jersey number 10, Dalisay, substitution. First personal foul, number 10, Dalisay. Second team foul. It's Simang with the ball now for the PBA Motor Club. They're trailing by 11. Wilson takes, comes up, what a move! Time out!
Batang Recto.
Yon. 37-28, down to 9-point lead for Batang Recto. 5 minutes, 6 seconds remaining time.
Kung ikaw ay Batanggenyo, ika'y mapapahiyaw. Barako Fest, the best in the city. Feel the energy. Barako Fest, the best in the city. Feel the energy. Barako Fest,
Ayan, of course, would like to acknowledge lang isa sa pinakamalaki nating sponsor dito, Sir Omli Mendiola. Ayan, maraming salamat, Sir Omli. Maraming salamat sa 500,000 para sa larong ito. Thank you.
Okay, back to the ball game.
English speaking na.
Oo.
Ang apo ng nanay.
English speaking na, siyempre. Kapitik. Shoutout sa mga kapitik. Maraming salamat sa libreng pitik. Ayan. Oo, shoutout Sir Omni Mendiola. Ayan.
Shoutout po, sir. Magandang hapon.
Hoy! Batang Recto. Ang may-ari ng bola, may hawak ng bola. Gonzales.
Shot clock at 12.
Gonzales at 3. Fade away. Bang! Sagak!
It's PBA Motor Club possession, 4 minutes and 45. Simang with the ball. Thinking for the shot, pass to Arana, fires. That's short. Jackson Corpus there for 2.
Batang Recto. Gonzales nagmamadali para may pinapagat. Ala, sabay tigil. Oo, ito na, sa ilalim. Dumali na. Rebound. Wow! Hoy, may foul tayo doon.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Number 33.
Number 33. It's Motor Club possession. John Wilson, pass inside. Hamito swings it to the open man. Jackson Corpus fires. Too strong.
Batang Recto possession. Iyan na. Dumali na. Gonzales, naghahanap ng mapasahan.
14 to shoot.
Gonzales. Wow, what a nice. Bang!
3 points. 3 points, sir. 3 points. It's Arana with the ball. Pass inside to Hamito. What a shot for 2 points.
Gonzales ang may dala ng bola. Gonzales.
Shot clock at 14.
Pumuporma si Gonzales sa ilalim. Batang Recto
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Dumali na. Sayang, rebound may Batang Recto. Dumago sa 3 sa tepong. Sagak! Tuwid noon. Oo, tukoy na tukoy patatamaan eh.
Tukoy na tukoy ang butas. It's
Ayan.
Sumang. Swings it inside. Hamito falls away. No good. And the ball ends up for Batang
Ayan
Recto.
na, Gonzales. Oy, may foul tayo doon.
Ng Hippo foul number 18. Arana. Substitution. 2 minutes and 49 remaining time for the second period.
Batang Recto. Gonzales ang may dala ng bola. Binigyan ng pagkakataon si Gonzales. Dumagos na naman.
Jackson with the board. Pass to Sumang for the PBA Motor Club. Sumang with the ball. Swings it to Wilson. Pass inside. Hamito inside. Shot is good. Muscling his way for two.
Ang lakas naman. Sobra naman. Okay. Batang rekto. Batang rekto, batang rekto. Dumali na. What a step back. Sablay lang.
Ayos lang. It's Amoras with the ball. Makes his move. Stops. Swings it to Wilson. Fires the trick. Inside.
Batang rekto, ang lakas noon. Oo. Napanlangan.
1 minute and 45. PBA Motor Club possession. They're trailing 48-34. 14-point lead. Amoras to Wilson. Swings it. It's Amoras. Inside. No good.
And
And
may batang rekto. Gonzales na naman may dala ng bola. Gonzales pumuporma. Pumuporma si Gonzales. Gonzales umatake.
shot like a 12.
Yan, Andrada.
10 to shoot. Happy with the ball. It's Sumang with the ball now. Goes inside and the ball is loose.
Batang rekta, oy.
Ups. Nang hampas. Foul called. Foul called. Number 11, Wilson. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Third team foul for PBA Motor Club. 1 minute and 6 remaining time for the second period.
Batang rekta ball possession. Gonzales. Gonzales.
1 minute remaining time.
Gonzales.
14 to shoot.
Tupayusing. Wow. Magnaye. Out to shoot. Fresh from the heart.
It's Motor Club possession. They're trailing by 16-50 against 34. Sumang at the ball. Swings it to Amoras. Fires the tray. Short. Jackson Corpus offensive rebound. Up. Hold on. Whistles blown. Foul called by the officials. Who's the foul ref? Number 21. First personal foul number 21. Warning for penalty. Batang rekto. Jersey number 21. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. 10 to shoot. It's 13. 10 to shoot. Amoras fires. No good. Ups, ups. Foul called. Away from the ball. Number 29. First personal foul, number 29, Magnaye. Penalty. 22 seconds remaining time, 22. Shot clock is up. 2 shots for Jackson Corpus. First one is up. All net. Make it 35 against 50 in favor of Batang Rekto. They trailing by 15 points. Second one for Jackson Corpus at the line is up. No good. And the ball is loose. Yellow ball. Motor Club possession. 20 seconds. It's Wilson fires the open tray. No good. Ends up with the ball.
Okay.
For Wilson again. Hamita inside for 2. 10
Batang
seconds.
Quiapo.
Shot clock is off.
Batang rekto, batang Quiapo na.
5 seconds.
Gonzales!
Oops.
Ay.
May pito, may pito.
Ay, batang Quiapo na nasabi ko.
Foul number. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Foul number 8. Sumang. Roy Sumang. For 3 seconds.
Andrada. Andrada.
Oops! That is enough for the second period. Official score 50 against 37 in favor of Batang Recto.
Yeah.
13-point lead.
Kasama ko ikaw, kung ikaw ay batang
Foul,
May ball tayo doon.
Number 33. Warning for penalty, warning. Warning
Ito na.
for penalty.
Nasa part na tayo ng pasarap.
Magkakasarapan na, huwag kayong aalis.
Diyos ko po, at siyempre, kasama nila si ang kagating kagalang-galang, Amy Marcos. Yan, maraming salamat. Yan na, Batang Recto.
Hops, foul called. Cyrus Baguio. First personal foul, penalty. 33 seconds, 33.
Pasok yung una. How? Sadya naman.
89. 80 seconds.
Second. Yan.
90 against 80. 30 seconds remaining time. It's Sumang with the ball. Sumang makes his move. Pass to Hamito. Fires 2 points.
Okay. Batang Recto. Ball
29
position.
seconds. 29 seconds.
Yan, may nagbabahan na. Ano ka yun?
Hops! Foul na,
Sinumbang
may
nung
foul,
sa
may
yun.
foul. Nagyapusan na.
Oo.
Buwan ng Valentine's kahapon, kaya nagyapusan.
May nagsumbangan, may nagbabahanan.
Penalty. Babhanan.
Yung sinakyan.
Ay, yun.
Sinakyan.
Sinakyan. Hindi huwag babhanan. 2 shots. 28 seconds, 90 against 82 in favor of Batang Recto.
Pasok ang una. Sadya naman. Wala kasabit-sabit sa butas. Magaling magpalusot.
Magaling.
Ang Batang Recto.
Ayan na.
Lalo tit. Ang mga nagpupugian.
It's Sumang with the ball. They're trailing by 10. Sumang
Yan na.
drives. Sumang lays it up for 2
Wow.
points. 23 seconds.
Sa Batang Recto ball possession. Ayan na.
Ay,
Ay, tinapik na.
Jackson Corpus. Warning, fourth personal foul, jersey number 1, Corpus. Penalty. 92-84, 8-point lead for Batang Recto.
Pasok na naman ang una. Sino kaya mag-uuwi ng kalahating plywood?
Oy, sino mag-uwi ng kalahating plywood na may sulat na 500,000?
Yan.
Pasok na naman. Shot clock is up. Shot clock is up. Sumang picks the ball. Sumang drives. Bounce inside. Hamid the miss. Jackson to the rescue.
Batang Recto. Ito na.
Up, may foul, may foul, may
Wala
foul.
na. Inuubos na lang talaga.
Oh, inuubos na ang dapat ubusin.
Inuubos na ng Batang Recto para sa kalahating
Oh.
plywood.
Maswerte,
Batang Recto.
maswerte kayo.
Napakaswerte nyo. Sagak na naman.
May panlatag na.
May kwarta pa.
95-86. 11 seconds remaining.
Pasok na naman. Ito na. Siguro
10
magtatapos.
seconds.
Ito na.
Iyan na, ibinigay na.
Ibinigay na ang sarap. At syempre, nagpapasalamat muli tayo sa ating mga minamahal.
Minamahal na manonood, Boss Dane!
Boss, hey, I love you.
Ayan. Paano ba yan, Dane? Paano ba yan? Ayan. Alam mo, next year, ayan, dapat 1 million na ipamigay dito para ako Fest. Ayan. So, congratulations, Batang Recto. Ayan. Dito tayo.
Ah! Ano na, boss? I-award na ba natin, boss?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
I-award na natin ang 500,000 pesos
Akin
sa
na
mga
ito.
Batanggenyo. Ay, mali. Ay, boss, thank you.
Check. Pataas ka ng volume.
Maraming salamat sa PBA Moto Club for joining our event here at Barako Fest 2025. Ayan, boss, ang laki ng check mo, boss, ha?
Okay. Tawagin natin si Mike Swift.
Sir Mike Swift.
yung gumawa ng ating Barakort. Ayan.
Bossing.
Samahan mo kami, Mike. I-award na natin. Diyos ko, nakadalawang taon na kayong sunod-sunod.
Oo.
Diba? Kailangan mo akong hanapan ulit ng lalaban sa Batang Rekto.
Boss, 2-1 eh. 2-1 ang Batang Rekto eh.
Diba? 2-1.
Kailangan ibalik natin yung una.
Feeling ko,
Ayan.
kailangan tawagin natin yung una yung nakalaban.
Sino ba-
Tatlong araw ulit, ano?
Di ko kasi pwede sabihin. Ikaw na lang.
Pag pumayag ulit makipaglaban sa inyo, ang Mavs,
Mavs.
diba?
Ayan.
Maghahanda kami ng 1,000,000.
1,000,000.
Diba? Palaki ng palaki to. So again,
By Sir Mike
congratulations!
Dito
Batang
kayo, guys.
Rekto! Ayan, asan yung mga coach? Ayan, coach!
Guys, palapakan naman natin ang
Tama.
Batang Rekto.
Picture tayo dito. Baka sabihin hindi ko binigay sa inyo. eh.
Libre nyo kami ng Starbucks ha.
Libre nyo kami Starbucks. Sa inyo na yan. Ayan.
Go, 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 go. Picture muna tayo.
Kaya
500,000.
ako nandito kasi yung camera nandun sa likod. Sa likod nyo yung camera.
Sa likod yung camera. Ayan, baliktad, baliktad kayo, baliktad. Ayan. Ibibigay na agad.
Yes! Siyempre! 500,000
1,000 pesos! Congratulations to Batang Rekto for winning our Barako Fest 2025!
Ayan, congratulations! And of course,